What's the meaning of British Council? British Council. British Council.
British Council. British Council. The British Council is a non-profit organization that operates in over 100 countries, focusing on promoting education, culture, and the English language. They offer a wide range of programs and services, including language courses, teacher training, arts and cultural events, and international examinations. The organization aims to create mutual understanding and build connections between people of different cultures and backgrounds. Overall, the British Council plays an important role in fostering cultural exchange and facilitating international cooperation.